smash a banana and add these two ingredients. Look what happens shortly after. The cough is present during the cold days of winter, and not only the cough, but also the diseases that cause cough. And that is why we must do something about it. But the causes of coughing are not just the cold days of winter, but smoking or aging. Coughing occurs when the body is trying to clean the respiratory system and is actually a sign that your body is telling you that something is wrong inside, and in most cases is due to the common cold, flu or bronchitis. So if you go to the pharmacy immediately after coughing and look for your solution there, you are only throwing your money, because there is no real evidence that the products you are buying from the pharmacy are effective against coughing. Most products are in the markets just for the benefit of large companies. And that is why you should choose the natural way to treat cough. And in this video you will see how. Get the following ingredients: 500 milliliters of water, 3 ripe organic bananas, 3 tablespoons of raw organic honey. Instructions: 1. Put the water on the fire. Then peel the bananas and mix in a larger bowl with the help of wooden spoon. In the bowl where the bananas are, add the water when it reaches its boiling point and wait a while for it to cool a bit. 3. After that add the honey and mix again. And your remedy is done. Here's how to use it. Consume 4 times during the day, and before consumption make sure it gets warm a little. This will solve the problem that causes the cough, and you will feel more relieved. In addition, you will sleep better thanks to the ability of bananas to increase serotonin levels, and this is also very useful when you are coughing because the cough could actually leave you sleepless. I ask